Jimmy, I can't afford the knives you talk about. Top 5 knives on a budget from a knife sharpener's point of view. Number 5, Heinz Class. I am pretty sure everybody gets this knife at birth. We see them all the time. They are everywhere. It's a decent knife. There's nothing wrong with it at all. It's a forged knife. And it's cheap. It's like 45 bucks. It's crazy it's $45. It's a good knife for $45. Can't go wrong with it. I recommend you get one. Number 4, Mercer. Mercer's a great knife. It's a forged knife as well. It's under $40. It's really a quality knife for under $40. I have one in my kitchen. I recommend you get one in your kitchen. You will never go wrong with it. It's definitely a workhorse type knife. 3, Stof Pro. I am always blown away by how much I like these knives. It's a stamp knife. It's about $30. I see them all the time and I really like them, and I always comment on them how much I really like them. Great knife for the money. Highly recommend. Number 2, Victorinox Fibrox Pro. Now this is a phenomenal knife. Once again, I see them all the time, and I'm always impressed by how sharp they get and how long they stay sharp. It's also a stamp knife. It's just a really good knife to have around. You can never go wrong. It's like $35. It's $35 for this knife. I'm blown away. You get a lot of knife for your money, without a doubt. Number 1, Tajiro F808. Great Japanese knife, VG10 steel. $65 I think it is, or a little bit under $65. Worth every penny. It's a Japanese style knife. It's got VG10 steel, which is great steel to have in a knife. I've worked with these quite often, and they are really quality knives for $65. I mean, it's crazy how good these knives are. That's my top 5 budget knives. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and like this video from your humble knife sharpener.